Welcome to Mathix board. In this session, we will learn decimal expansion of number system. You all have done division. What can you say whenever you do division? Sometimes you get the quotient finite number after decimal point, and sometimes you get infinite number of decimal points. So let's check 45 divided by 4. What happened here? 4 1 ja 4. 5 4 1 ja 4. Here we get here 1 and we need to put here decimal point, and 4 2 ja 8, 2 4 5 ja 20. So the division process has been stopped. We get here remainder 0, and you can see here two digits finite 2 and 5 we are getting here after decimal point. Let's check some more division like that. 20 divided by 3. 3 6 ja 18, 2 decimal point 3 6 ja 18. Again we get here remainder 2. 3 6 ja 18. So it is not being ended. 2 is getting remainder, and in quotient 6 digit is being repeated and repeating again. So this is, sometimes you get finite number after decimal point, and sometimes you get infinite number after decimal point, and these numbers are being repeated whenever you get the same number as a remainder. Never be, you will get never 0 here, and the remainder will be same you get here. Then you will get the same digits repeating in this division process. So what is this? Whenever you get this finite number after decimal point, these decimal points, these decimal expansion is called terminating, and in which division process you get the repeating and repeating number, the finite number not being ended. You get infinite number and these number will be repeating. So this division, this decimal process, this decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring number. Recurring means repeating and repeating number. You are getting here 6 repeating, and you will write here 6.6 bar. Which number is being repeated? We will not write again and again. We will write 1 times its, and we take a line segment like as, and we call it bar. 6 bar. This means it's 6 digit is being repeated. So like that 6.666. So you can write here in this process 6.6 bar. So this decimal expansion is called non-terminating and recurring decimal expansions. What are these? Why I am explaining these two numbers? So what can you say? These 20 divided by 3 and 45 divided by 4 are rational or irrational? So you can check here. Finite number you are getting after decimal point, and infinite number but repeating digits are getting here after decimal point. Then these terminating, non-terminating, recurring, these both are rational numbers. These both are rational numbers. You can say these are rational numbers. Now, what about non-terminating recurring? Some divisions you get here like that pi value. What is the pi value? 3.1415926, 5926, and so on. It is numbers not being repeated, and you will never get the finite numbers, and like as 6 is being repeated here, but any number will not repeating here. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring, like that root 2 value. What is the root 2 value? 1.41, root 2 value 1.4142135 and so on, and number will never be repeated. So these types of decimal point is called non-terminating, non-recurring, and this type of decimal expansion is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Whenever you get these types of decimal point, you can say this is the irrational numbers. And sometimes you get like a series 0.101100111100. This type of series is also called irrational number. Irrational numbers and non-terminating, non-recurring numbers. So this is all purpose of my this explanation. These two, terminating and non-terminating numbers, are rational number, and non-terminating, non-recurring numbers when in which you can get here unlimited number but never be repeated also. So that is non-recurring, non-terminating, and it is irrational number. And these two numbers, terminating, non-terminating with recurring, are rational numbers. So this is the object of this video, and you can also check. I am going to give you one question. 7 upon 343. Can you check this? This is terminating or non-terminating. You have to check this number. 7 upon 343 will be terminating or non-terminating. You can give me a comment box, terminating or non-terminating. After 5 days, I will give you this answer. Okay.